North of us, you probably can see the Carillon tree of light. We call it Connie's tree because of the gift given by Connie in 1849 and known as the Miami Erie Canal. Finally connecting Lake Erie with the Ohio River. Its transportation conduit.
We're riding along the Polar Express, dude.
Join Santa Claus, keeping an eye on your little ones. Speaking of Santa, you can write a letter to him across the way at Newton Tavern. Built in 1796, it is Dayton's oldest standing structure. But did you know it takes equal the right to build airplanes? And the most important airplane of them all is here at the Wright Brothers National Museum. Our 1905 Wright Flyer 3 is a National Historic Landmark. Carillon Park is committed to sharing those unique regional stories that changed the world and earned Dayton the early 20th century distinction of being issued more patents per capita than any other in the United States. Those patents meant innovation, prosperity, and Christmas presents. The latest and greatest from